No. Senua, it's home. Can you hear it?
She's singing.
Galena is here.
Do you remember?
That song.
Mommy.
Senua. Oh, you've come home. It's your mother. Come in.
Can you hear her?
It's Galena.
She's singing.
It wasn't all bad, was it?
That voice.
Remember?
Beautiful voice.
The mirror, Senua. It will help you fight your memories.
You have to take it. Keep it with you.
My mirror. It will help you get through this.
It will.
Listen, the burning.
Do you remember me, Senua?
They are coming. Smoke.
I bet you really saw it.
The Northmen are coming. They are coming for you.
Remember what they did to you. How your village
Tear out your heart. Cut out your eyes and blood. The sockets and overflow. Take your sisters to our land and kill your folk. String them up.
Let the mirror focus.
Sisters to our land and kill your folk. And they die.
Use the mirror. Focus. I know this place. She drowns in the past. All that she lost, tearing at her with dead hands and eyes of fire. Her village, just cinders now. The past is never past. Her father, Simba.
Did you think you could escape your past, Senua? You tried to run, didn't you?
She can't forget. You can never forget.
You thought you got away.
No,
You thought you left it behind in hell.
Dillian.
Dillian, you're Dillian. You're lovely Dillian.
But you will never be free of
His
this,
pain.
His suffering.
however far you go. It will hold you forever in darkness.
The only way.
Take your darkness with you. It's yours.
leave your past behind. It binds you here.
You'll drown in the memory of him.
Helpless.
She will be lost in grief forever.
I carry it with
You
me.
have to hold on to it.
It drives me forward.
She cannot forget.
It's a promise. Not a prison.
Keep it close.
Don't let the past stop you.
Don't let it drag you down.
Your destiny awaits. Look up.
It's not real.
The worst pain, the cruelest blows, they make us who we are. Do you see that? She does. She won't lose them again, her mother, her lover. She won't forget. She won't let them slip from her. Like light fading as eyes close. She will hold them. It's hanging from a hook.
Like a cow.
What could do this? Try again. Remember Senua. I think it's their goddess,
Yes.
Freya.
Freya?
It was Freya.
No.
What have they done to her?
What is that? What's that? Something is hidden.
Can you see it?
Is it? Look. Face, face. Focus, Senua.
Focus.
So beautiful.
They're moving.
Moving, transforming. Where will it take you? Where?
Look, life. Focus, Senua. the places of the earth, they know that the gods and spirits affect man's path. All the misfortune that befalls man lies at their feet. If you have eyes to see, you see their presence and their power. Keep your eyes open, traveler, and you might see their faces.
Voice. Something dark, Senua. You need to go up there. Don't let them see you. Come on, we need to find out. Don't let the monsters find you. You can do this, Senua.
She knows what it's like to fear. As a child, scared of the night, her mother's soft voice calmed her. But now, she's alone. And there's more to fear than just the darkness. There are ghosts that walk in the noonday sun. Monsters that climb out from under the bed. Some shadows can't just be dispelled with light. Some shadows don't want to scare you. They want your blood. Your flesh, your life. But the voices are calling. We want to keep moving towards it.
We'll lead you to where you need to be.
She can't get in here. Find another way.
You can do this.
It's easy to turn back, turn away, when every nerve is screaming with fear. Be safe, be quiet, run and hide, run away. But to turn back is to lose yourself, lose your way, defeated and dead-eyed. And the path ahead is clear, soaked in blood and bile, but beacon bright and clear.
This fear can't drag you down.
We have chosen this place for a reason.
So many voices.
What is this place?
So loud.
What if this fear is worth listening to? You can feel it, that voice.
Summoning you.
That voice.
It's done.
I journey to these darkest lands to heal those overcome by fear and hate. However dark it seemed, I always found a ray of light. In this wretched land, by far the darkest of them all, it seemed the shadow would never lift. But I knew I would find my light.
Who is he?
He knows her.
He feels us.
Reaching out to us in the dark.
You have to help him, Senua.
This is our quest.
This is our destiny.
Our mission.
Senua, would you give your life for these outsiders?
In my darkest hour, it was an outsider who saved me.
This man, his kin killed yours. You should want his blood, not to give him aid. Oh, you have lost your way.
Down there.
I can't look.
What are they doing to you? Dragging you away. Look what they do to those who fight.
If they see you, they will destroy you hidden from them.
Don't let them see you. It is not time. You have to get out. Get out of here. Get out. It's not too late. Time passes.
You can always turn back. Slaughtering.
How could you make them stop? What are they?
It's too much.
What are they?
It's just too much.
They're not human. They can't be.
They're monsters.
A rite of blood and fire. You will never understand this power. Something is coming.
Want to go down there? You have to. She has no choice.
There's no other path.
But you will drown in the blood.
Blood and bones and body.
Blood and bones and bodies.
We can't stand it anymore. Can't.
Don't make a sound.
What's that? No, listen.
voice cuts through the chaos. He is her next sign, the next step on her path. She will bathe in blood, her sword will sing, and she will free him. He'll die trying.
She has us all! She's fighting back! Get up and fight! Fight for your life!
And then kill you! How will you ever win that? Full of rage. You came here to free him, now do it!
Cut me loose!
What's he going to do?
What is
is your name?
Senua.
I've been waiting for you.
Do it. Do it now. It's here. Help me. His voice She is coming. Can you feel her? She can feel it. Something from the other world is coming.
Please.
It's here. Help me. Now! Do it! Get up! Run! Run! Find out.
What do we do?
Run! Eat Tiger! Run! We were lucky. Come on.
It all just stopped.
Yeah, it's daybreak. She'll have to hide from the light now. But she will hunt us. Find our trail as soon as he can. You're not safe now. Let's go.
Who are you?
My name is Fargrimur. I come from a settlement nearby. I came here to seek help.
He almost died. You
The
helped.
Freyslaug had fallen to the Draugar.
And to something
I
else.
walked into a massacre.
What was that?
And they took me as well.
But he was not like
Why
the
were you
others.
bound to that pole? What were the Draugar doing?
I'm calling to the creature, drawing her forth with
Her.
thunder and
A
God.
creature called through death.
And I was an offering.
Tiger.
But why? Why were they calling it? It killed them.
Are we safe now?
I seem to worship
He
her.
seems too calm. What if she comes back?
Her dark heart seems to speak to their own. I mean, all the old gods have left these lands, so
We should leave as well.
we find new ones where we can.
This land is cursed, Senua. We will only find death. Everyone is dying, and you know they will blame you. Everyone does. We do. What are you going to do? What can we do? Follow him.
I need to return home to my people.
Go with him. He can help you.
If you come with me, I will offer you what help I can. But I have to warn you, the creature stalks my village. We can offer you refuge for a time, but not safety.
You've seen her before.
They have no hope.
To my cost. To everyone's cost. She haunts this
They have
land,
lost
from here to
everything.
my village in Red Hills.
If we go with him, she will find us. We will find her. Maybe you can fight her, Senua.
So you're from Orkneyar by your accent.
As a slave. I have the slave master tied down there.
He brought you here. The master. Maybe he escaped. We don't know his name.
Thorkistur?
We do now.
I didn't ask his name.
Thorkistur of Borgarvirki.
There. We need to go there. He knows. He knows.
You know it? Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes, but why would you want to go there? I'll kill you. Worse.
You need to go there, Senua. Don't doubt. Don't be a coward. He can help you. He will show you the way. You don't need that monster. What was the name? Thorkester.
By the gods. What a terrible thing this is. The Draugar were always savage. This is worse than I ever thought possible. I believed that with time, we could claw back our land.
He wished that. But he didn't believe it. He has no hope.
This gets darker, bloodier with each day that passes.
Look, that monster, Thorgester, is still there. Still alive. What are you going to do, Senua? You know what to do. We don't need him anymore.
What do you want to do about him?
Nothing. Leave
I
him.
don't need him. You can tell me where I need to go.
He cares about him.
Well, if you leave him, he will die. Draugar. Or simply starvation.
Don't doubt, Senua.
If the Draugr took him, it would be no less than he deserves.
Help me.
She's weak. Don't feel pity. He doesn't deserve it. She cannot do it. Something about him. She saw it. Not just a monster. She saw it. A ray of light. He is evil. There is no choice. So stupid. She's not listening to us. Stupid. She is saving him. That monster.
That wound looks bad, Thorgester.
I don't want to talk
Well,
to you.
if you accept my hospitality, I can have it treated. You will not make it far alone.
I will come with you. But this changes nothing. Not expect any gratitude from me or my father.
How could I?
You still haven't told me what she is. Iltoiga.
So many questions.
She's a giant. They awaken at sundown.
Iltoiga. A giant. A cursed land. But now she has help. Fargrimma knows this land.
Many have tried to fight them, but all have failed. They're immortal. Maybe the gods can kill them, but there are no gods in these lands. The giants, they hide by day and hunt at night. You may think, well, at least there's some respite by day. But know this. The nights grow longer. And come winter, there is no day. Just endless night. Soon the time of man will end.
This place.
What is this place?
My settlement.
In pain.
I led my people here.
Broken.
Promised them a new life.
Called this home.
An escape from the madness and misery across the sea. For some time we were happy.
Like us. We were happy. Until him.
But then the volcano and the darkness came.
The monster started enslaving people.
Iltoiga stalks my settlement when night falls. She tramples our crops and kills what little livestock we've left. We're starving.
Why don't you leave?
We've tried.
They failed.
No matter how far we get by day, as night falls, she hunts us down. And there are children here. People too weak to run. We're trapped. Night on night, our numbers fall.
He is asking you to help. No, he isn't. They need you. They are dead if they don't fight back.
Gods. What a ruin. Where is everyone?
On the rocks. High. Safe. But Iltoiga can't reach them.
You should have joined us when we offered you the chance.
There is no honor in the path you've chosen.
Say that again, old man, and I'll gut you like a fish.
Thorgester, have a look around you. Have a thought as to who your real enemy is.
What does he mean? Who is the real enemy?
The giants are the real enemy.
No honor. He said there was no honor in the enslaver's path.
Which path did he choose?
This place has secrets.
She needs to
She can see the thread that binds the world, can feel its hidden pulse, and knows when that pulse quickens. She feels it now, the tremor on her skin, a being taking shape. Something is coming.
Rising from beneath the earth. He knows. He can sense it too. Can you feel it?
Can she?
She can feel it. She brings the rage.
Did you feel that?
She's coming. It's coming.
Wait.
Iltoiga.
Iltoiga. She destroyed and she will destroy again.
He knows.
She's here.
You need to run.
Run! Run! She's here. Let's go. Get to the hills!
Get out of here. You can do this. Stop. She is unstoppable. She will take you. She is screaming our name. She is hunting us.
She is
Reaching for something.
She wants him. Quick! Save him!
Quick!
She was brave. She's stupid. She can see into you.
She wants
She is suffering like you. We can see her.
She knows you.
He is helping us.
Go!
You saved him, remember? Stop thinking. Stop thinking.
Hide! She will not spare you again. Go!
She's coming back.
There are some wills so strong they dream a new world, a hell of their own creation, and they will not sit lonely in that nightmare. If you wake the dreamer, does the nightmare die?
You're not safe yet.
Where are we? Make him explain.
What is happening?
Iltoiga.
Who is she?
when the volcano erupted, it tore open the wall between this world and
Now this world
Jotunheim.
suffers too.
The giants came flooding from the east, killing and eating whomever they could lay their
Terrifying
hands on.
times.
Now some of us, we hide.
You have to fight, not hide.
Make defenses, struggle on. And some of us use others to stem the tides.
Others? What do you mean?
Shall I tell her, Thorgistur?
Tell me.
Shall I tell her what your father's been doing?
What else is there to do, Fagrimur? We found a way to keep our people
He
safe.
is part of it too. He
Your
believes.
people are dying.
There is no other way.
Tell us.
What are they doing?
The Gode of Borgarvirki is using slaves. Slaves from your lands. Sacrifices.
Sacrifice.
He's offering them to the giants so that his people will be left alive.
His innocent people. Evil. This stops now. Is a monster.
You can't stand alone against us. You have no chance.
He does not see, but he can see. His darkness is evil. We can show him.
He's a monster.
There is another way. There is always another way.
Saga has you marked now. If you try to leave the Red Hills, he will hunt and kill you.
No. And I will kill her first.
She can't be killed. It's impossible.
I have killed a god, Fagrimur. Nothing is impossible.
No, there is no
He
way.
is right. We cannot kill the giant.
The gods cannot be killed.
You can't. You deserve this.
Why did you come here, Senua? To stop the slavers,
You thought you were helping them.
and now you are stranded. Stay. You can't stop them. You can't kill the giant. You can't stop them.
I will. I will kill the giant.
You can't kill the giant. They told you so. You have seen it. You failed again. So sure, with so little reason to be sure.
I will find a way.
No, there is no way. I will always be here to remind you to know your place. To stop you getting ideas into your head.
A light to banish the darkness.
It is not so easy to banish me, child.
You can't beat me down anymore.
Let him go. My path is the only path. I lost.
can't hurt me. You can't keep me trapped.
Don't you see, idiot? You will never find your way through this nightmare. You're always blinded by your madness, your curse. You will never save them. You can't even save them. Gods cannot be destroyed. The only path is to seek their fate. Just listen to me, Senua. I speak for the gods. The only way to appease them is with sacrifice. Burning flesh and spilling blood fill the skies with smoke.
Torch. You can't do anything without your torch.
Trapped here
Agony
forever.
sets us free. You will never be free, never safe, unless you heed my word.
You can't hurt me. I carry the light.
Light fades, Senua. Light can be killed. The darkness is all that persists. Your only constant. There is no way out. Destroy it. All to the side. What? Destroy it.
There is always a way.
No. You will see. Only a blow you can't recover from. An abyss you can't crawl out of. A nightmare you can't live from. gods must be placated, or everyone will suffer. Blood and fire will appease the gods. The truth, Senua. You just have to submit to me. Let me mold you, shape you, give you strength. Be my daughter again.
You're trapped there. You won't be able to see.
It will destroy the soul inside you. You will never find your way through this nightmare.
There is always a way. There is always a way.
It's time to give up, child. Leave this land.
No! What you did to me, I see it here. They are cowed like I was. Lost like I was. Believing what they're told. Sacrifices. Spilling blood for a lie.
Speak the truth. Must cleanse our sins with sacrifice. It is the way of the gods. Your mother sinned and was sacrificed, and the people prospered until you came back, bringing sin with you. The giants cannot be killed. All we can do is placate them. Slake their thirst with blood and fire.
I see through your darkness now. I see through your lies. And I will show them how to see as I do. I will not appease your gods. I will destroy them.
Lies, Senua. Your father's lies.
Remember, he tried to hold you down in the darkness.
Darkness.
Told you there was no way out.
That the gods ruled you.
But you fought back.
You were strong.
Maybe you can fight back now.
She can fight back.
She can.
Maybe there is a way to pull through.
There is always a way to pull through the darkness.
Darkness.
To kill the giant.
She will find a way.
She is strong.